Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to a video. So in this video, we'll see a cover block which has been used at a site. As you can see, the cover block, here it is written 25 and here it is written 20. And if you observe closely, then here it is written 40. So this cover block has multi-purpose. If you put the reinforcement along this direction, it will be 40 mm. If you put the reinforcement along this direction, it will be 20 mm, and if you put the reinforcement along this direction, it will be 25 mm. As you can see that here the cover blocks have been used. Along here it is a slab, we need reinforcement of 20 mm. So they have used this. They have placed the reinforcement like this for giving the cover of 20 mm. Similarly, if they wanted to give 25 mm, then they needed to place along this direction. And in this beam also, as you can see, they have provided the same cover. But in this beam, they have given a cover of 40 mm for this beam of slab. So they have used this portion for placing the reinforcement. So friends, this is a cover which can be used for multiple purpose. And this side also they have cover of 50 mm. The maintaining of the cover is very important in the case of a slab. As you can see, the cover should be properly maintained so that the thickness of the slab is maintained and the distance between the reinforcement and the ends of the slab is also maintained. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.